discussing about that what is bacterium. Bacterium is basically the singular form of bacteria, and we are in this lecture going to study about that how we are able to do that further. So you can see that I have shared a screen from page number 35, and what I am going to do now, I am going to explain it to you. uh, First I will explain it without reading, and then I will give you a reading, and then you will be able to understand it, right? So all of we know that genes are present always on the DNA. That is our double helical structure, and genes are basically carrying all the instructions which, like, if it is our DNA double helical structure, so there are certain nucleotides or genes are present over here, like this. So these genes having all the instructions of the regarding organism, that how this organism is going to be look like, that how it is going to be further producing what kind of cells, and all the things that in a chip, as in cell phone it is containing, the same is over here. So we can say they produce different kind of proteins by which we can easily identify that they have to perform these structure and physiological properties to that certain body organ where it has to be formed. Now there is another terminology we have. I have told you that we have to study genetic engineering. Now all of you know, must be familiar with the engineering. Engineering basically means anything to be made, that anything that is new, right? So anything which is made up with the help of using different kind of tools is known as engineering. Like if someone is studying mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and so many variety of engineering over there. But right now we are telling about genetic engineering. So as the name is introducing genetic means genes. Both type of engineering in which we are going to introduce different kinds of different size of genes into a bacterium, and we find so many copies of that. This field is known as genetic engineering, and it is really having very good scope nowadays, right? If somebody asks that after FSC what we want to do, I will 110% give surety that if you have done something in genetic engineering, you will be able to move all over the world, and you have very good job aspects regarding this, because the coming era is of genetic engineering, biotechnology, microbiology. All these chemistry, physics, engineering are getting older day by day. The new thing that is introducing, that is among that one is genetic engineering, right? So this one is very advanced technique. It is also used. Bilal, switch on your video with it. It is also used in plants. It is also used in many other techniques as well, right? So we can also say that in plants we find out different crops. With the help of different crops we can introduce in it. Now basically coming towards that, how basically this whole process is going to be. Now you can underline, or you can also mention it from the book, underline it from the book. Genetic engineering is an advanced technique in biotechnology in which scientists select and isolate the useful gene from one organism. अब जिस चीज से आपने isolate करना है gene, that is known as donor gene. Like many of you must know that today nowadays corona is everywhere, so donor is required, means जिसका आप plasma ले सकते हैं. A person who is just recovered from corona, he he is recovered from corona, we just simply take the plasma and give it to that one which one is infected having the same blood flow. तो donor उसको कहते हैं जिससे आप donate कर रहे हो, जिससे आप चीज ले रहे हो, ठीक है? So from one organism, donor organism, and insert it into another. Let's say if I have taken one gene or one something from here, and if I donating it to the other second person, so the given one is donor and the receiver one is known as transgenic organism. Transgenic organism, right? So there are two terminologies come over here. Number one was donor gene, the one from which we are going to isolate it, and we are just inserting in the other one, and that is known as transgenic organism. These two terminologies are very important to clear. And the inserted gene product produces the desired products in transgenic organism, right? Now we are going to see diagrammatically that how all this process is going to be happen. This is the structure of a bacterium, right? This is a cell wall. This is cell wall. This is cell membrane. CW. Over here, this is chromosomes. Thread-like structure. Then we have some small granule that is known as plasmids. Basically, plasmid is the portion where we inserted different kind of genes, and then further vaccination and further copies are going to be formed. And in your book, the screen share, I have you all can see that over there is a brief structure of plasmid as well. जो circle सा बनाया हुआ है black color में इस तरह करके, that is further structure of plasmid के उसके अंदर इस तरह से structure है plasmid का. So this is the basic structure of a bacterium. Now see how it is going to work. Why do scientists use bacteria in genetic engineering? Number one thing, why we choose bacteria? Because it's very easy to get rapid growth in a short time. Means you can see a bacterial cell divides to form two daughter cells within just 20 minutes. Means you only need 20 minutes कि आप उसकी growth जल्दी जल्दी कर लें. और bacteria की growth always exponentially increase होगी. Means 2:2 it will convert it into 4, 60 and 32 and so exponentially इसको बोलते हैं. Bacteria has the capacity to its growth exponentially rate. So that's why always all the scientists prefer to use bacterium. Okay? Now bacterial cell is very simple and it is really very easy to grow. This is the first reason that why scientists use it. It does not have an organized structure, organized nucleus. Means इसका nucleus जो है वो इतना organized नहीं होता जिसके अंदर हम different चीजों को समाप्त ना कर सकें, right? The chromosome consisting of DNA and it floats in the cytoplasm. The whole jelly-like structure is known as cytoplasm, in which nucleus and the remaining things are going to be floating. So additional circular pieces, these circular pieces of DNA are known as plasmids, in which and they are present in cytoplasm. So this was the structure of bacteria, and it has been explained in the figure 3.3. Then what you have to do, we have to take this plasmid from the bacteria cell, and then we will insert some kind of gene in it, and then again we will insert that plasmid in it. Let's say I have take this plasmid, मैंने इसको यहाँ से कट कर दिया, ठीक है. After cutting, I have introduced some other piece जिसकी मुझे vaccination फर्दर आगे चाहिए. Okay, what will I do? I will then, after inserting it, I will again going to introduce in it, and within some time it is providing us different copies. Bilal, are you listening to me? Unmute yourself and tell me. You can unmute your myself. Right. So I was saying it to you that then we introduce that plasmid into the gene, and then we get several copies of that. Now, how do scientists insert gene into a bacterium? This one is going to be explained one by one, step by step. You can see on the book as well that how do scientists insert genes into a bacterium. The first step for inserting a gene into a bacterial cell is the first, number one is identification and isolation of specific gene we want to introduce. Number one is identification and isolation. How we do it? We will simply take the gene of the desired protein which we want to given that presentation we have identified the gene ये जिससे कोरोना वायरस की वैक्सीन बनानी है, we're going to extract it out. Status की बात कर लेते हैं, genes are available. Then how we isolate? Simply as we cut any paper, any cloth with a sear. So while in genetic engineering we use different kind of enzymes. What we use enzymes to cut that plasmid. Means this is plasmid or this is, you can say, gene. We want to take a portion of this gene. We will simply cut it down with the help of enzyme and we will extract it out. When we extract this piece, what will we do? We will insert it into the plasmid like this, and then this plasmid is again going to be introduced into the bacterium cell, and after introducing it has the ability to produce different kind of copies. So this is the process how gene is inserting into the bacteria. Now I am just giving it a reading that an enzyme is used to cut it down from which we want to take that thing. The isolated gene is then attached with the plasmid. This isolated gene is going to be attached with the plasmid. You can see on the board with black one. DNA taken from a bacterium and the same enzyme, वही enzyme जिसे हमने cut it down किया था, उसी से हमने plasmid को भी cut करना है, and then we will find out a vacant position over there so that we can insert that portion over there and DNA at a specific site so that the gene can be attached at the cut end of the plasmid. So the gene is going to be attached over here, and the attached gene of desired protein will again inserted into the bacterium, and as a result we will get what we want. And over here two terminologies. The recombinant DNA is the DNA which is formed over here, means which is from the you can say desired gene donor one plus plasmid. तो जो उधर DNA बनेगा उन दोनों के combination से this DNA is known as recombinant DNA, means having DNA of plasmid as well and desired gene DNA. So this DNA is known as recombinant DNA, जो कि दोबारा से बना है, recombination. दोबारा, re means again. The recombinant DNA is inserted back into the same type of bacterium from which the plasmid was isolated. The bacterium which takes in the recombinant DNA is called genetically modified bacterium. Genetically modified bacterium, G is for genetically, M is for modified. GM bacterium that is going to be formed, किससे बना है वो? प्लाज्मिड के डीएनए से प्लस इंसर्टेड जीन डीएनए, right? So the DNA form is known as genetically GM is modified, genetically modified bacterium or transgenic bacterium, and the other name is also known as transgenic bacterium. I am going to share another page in which this whole process is made, and you can see it from there. The page you can see right now. You will be able to see it. Abdul Rahman, switch on your video, beta. Hunain, you also. All the students who just have joined, please switch on your videos, boys. Okay. Now this is the process. You can see that how it is going to be explained. I have tried to explain it to you, but just for the sake, you can see this is a. I am just making it clear that this is the donor cell जिससे हमने gene को extract out करना है, and for extracting out the gene we need specific kind of enzyme जो उसको cut it down करेंगे. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं उसका एक piece जो है that is going to be separated out, right? The gene piece is going to be separated out. After that, same on the other side, bacterium का structure है. You can see which I have little bit zoom it. Then you can see over there, plasmid is a regular राउंड शेप स्ट्रक्चर, उधर से भी उसको कट इट डाउन किया गया है, एंड वी यूज द सेम एंजाइम फॉर कटिंग ऑफ प्लाज्मिड एज वी हैव यूज्ड फॉर डोनर सेल। देन इनकी रिकम्बिनेशन हो जाएगी, हाफ पीस उधर से आएगा, हाफ पीस दूसरी डोनर सेल की तरफ से आएगा। You can see with the help of different colors, it is going to be formed recombinant DNA, right? This one, the center structure, the circle. Then what will we do? We will simply introduce now this new one structure into the bacterium cell, right? And what happened as a result, after a few time, it is going to be produced. You can see this is going to be splitted into two daughter cells and having one plasmid in the other. So in the same way, bacteria starts growing, and we will find out so many copies of required gene, right? So this was the introduction of gene into a bacterium, and we have discussed about what is donor organism, what is transgenic organism, and what is the remaining one. Yes, Abdul Rahman, just wait. You can unmute your mic. You can unmute your mic by yourself, then ask the question. What is the question? Abdul Rahman, unmute करें बेटे. Yes, Fatma. You can unmute your mic.
Teacher, I can't understand the process of plasma.
Plasma or plasmid?
Yes.
क्या समझ नहीं आया इसमें?
टीचर के वो पता नहीं कट डाउन होता है और फिर वो दूसरे के साथ
एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ, राइट? And Hunain, you also. Okay, Fatma, look at the board. I am just explaining it for you again. देखें. Board is clear to you?
Yes.
Right. हमने बात की है, हम बेसिकली वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल कि हमने किस तरह से जीन को इंट्रोड्यूस कराना है उसके अंदर, ठीक है? अब देखें, ये हमारे पास एक डोनर सेल है, ये मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ये सेल वो है जिसकी जीन्स मैंने एक्सट्रैक्ट आउट करनी है, ठीक है? अब क्या कर रहे हैं कि इसके अंदर आप देखिए, ये है हमारे पास क्रोमोसोम और डीएनए, राइट?
यस.
इसके पास डीएनए और क्रोमोसोम है. व्हाट विल वी डू? हमने इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट आउट करना है. अब ये सारी जुबानी कलामी बातें तो नहीं है, दैट हाउ विल वी एक्सट्रैक्ट इट आउट. इसके लिए हमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए, कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज चाहिए कि हमने किस तरह से कट डाउन करना है. जैसे अगर कोई भी हम स्टिच करना चाह रहे हैं कपड़ा, कि हमने इस डिजाइन को उधर जाके फिट करना है, व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द सीजर, ठीक है? तो एंजाइम जो है वो जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में एक्ट करता है एज अ सीजर, जिससे आप जीन्स को कट डाउन कर सकते हो. क्लियर?
यस.
सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एंजाइम, एंजाइम के डिफरेंट तरह के होते हैं, हमने इस जीन को कट डाउन कर लिया, उसका कुछ पोर्शन हमने उतार लिया, राइट? अब हमने क्या करना है, हमने इस जीन को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है उस बैक्टीरिया के प्लाज्मिड के अंदर, ठीक है? प्लाज्मा नहीं है वर्ड, प्लाज्मिड. Plasmid is the, okay Abdul Rahman, please switch on the video, right? Then there is bacterium cell, जिसको मैंने अभी बनाया था, उसमें हमारे पास आपने देखा छोटे छोटे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं that are known as plasmids, right? अब प्लाज्मिड के अंदर ये कैपेसिटी है कि वो अगर किसी दूसरे जीन को इंसर्ट करेगा तो इट विल बी डेफिनेटली गिविंग अस मोर कॉपीज. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमने इस प्लाज्मिड को बाहर निकाला, राइट? उसको भी हमने कट डाउन किया, ये देखो ये कट हुआ है. किससे कट किया है? सेम उसी सीजर से जिसको हमने एंजाइम का नाम दिया है, जिससे हमने डोनर के डीएनए को कट आउट किया है. फातिमा समझ आ रही है?
यस. यस.
अब देखो, ये भी कट डाउन हो गया, ये भी कट डाउन हो गया. अब हमने इन दोनों को मिला देना है. हाउ? ये देखें, आधा प्लाज्मिड उसी तरह से है, द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन जो है वो मैं इसको ब्लैक मार्कर से बना देती हूँ ताकि आपको ज्यादा क्लियर हो. उसके ऊपर हमने ये इंसर्ट कर दिया, ठीक हो गया? अब ये जो चीज हमारे पास बनी, इसको हमने बोल दिया है नाम जनाब, इसको हम कहेंगे डी मींस अगेन, दोबारा से कॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए, जिसमें किस किस के डीएनए इंक्लूड है? एक डीएनए, हाफ डीएनए इसका डोनर जीन का, ये ब्लैक वन, और हाफ डोनर जो डीएनए है वो प्लाज्मिड का, That's why it is
Yes.
known as recombinant DNA. के अंदर 2 DNA है, दोबारा से वो बना है. अब हमने क्या करना है, हमने इस वाले जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना, प्लाज्मिड का नया स्ट्रक्चर बना है, सिंपली वी हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस इनटू दैट वन, जो नया हमने बनाया है, जो बैक्टीरियम सेल है हमारा, उसके अंदर, राइट. ये जो रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए बना है, वो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू द सेम वन जिधर से हमने प्लाज्मिड को एक्सट्रैक्ट आउट किया था. व्हाट हैपन एज अ रिजल्ट, दैट इट इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस मल्टीपल कॉपीज, जिसमें प्लाज्मिड जो है रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए के साथ होगा, राइट. तो इट will produce, first it will produce 2 copies, then it will going to be produce 4, then 8, then 16, and so on, how many we want to extract that. So this is the way how scientists use the introduction of genes into a bacterium. ठीक है, समझ आया?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, anyone want to ask the question regarding here? Hunain, bete, why are you not switching on your video? Bilal, you also, why are you getting non-serious day by day? Abdul Rahman, how many times I have said to you, switch on the video? You don't know it's the requirement of the school. These are not orders by me. If you are just switching it on and enjoying your meal and doing whatever you want, then don't come in the class. At least don't make fool of your teachers. Hunain, Abdul Rahman, it's up to you. Nahi karni on, just go to hell. Right, so I am giving the reading, the last paragraph over here. GM bacterium means genetically modified. It's the abbreviation. G is genetically, M is modified. Genetically modified bacterium starts dividing and produces a bacterial colony, and then it will starting producing a bacterial colony, जिसको इन्होंने छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल से जाहिर किया हुआ है. Colony is basically a group of people, or just like the colonies we have, Falcon colony, Asprey 5, and any colony where group of people is living. The same case is happening with bacteria, that many bacterial colonies are going to be produced that are having the properties of this one, that donor gene, जिसकी हम property लेना चाहते हैं. So when bacterial colony grows, it starts making proteins under the instructions of inserted gene. So we will get so many vaccines, so many new plasmids, and so many genes are produced in this way. So these are the applications कहाँ होती है now in genetic engineering. Genes of various useful proteins, for example insulin, enzymes for the synthesis of various medicines, vaccines are inserted in bacteria and desired proteins are obtained. This is the process. Now write down the we have less time. Write down your question for homework today. Your question is, how do scientists insert the gene of a desirable protein into a bacterium? I am writing it on the board. And tomorrow I will first listen the answer. You have to explain it. You have to show me your copies on your cameras, girls and boys both. Then you have to tell me, how do scientists insert the gene of a desirable protein into a bacterium? You have to, it is your homework for today, and you have to explain it with the help of diagram as well. Right? Now if you have any question, you can ask.
Teacher, will you send it on WhatsApp, the question?
No, I will not. It's just only a question. You can write it down from here on the board. Right?
Okay.
The meeting is going to be end. You can just take screenshot. I'm explaining it for you. How do scientists insert the gene of a desirable protein into to a bacterium. यानी कि आपने इसमें पता क्या लिखना है, इसमें you have to write down page number 35 and 36. Means you have to first tell me, और ये जो है ना, how do scientists insert gene into a bacterium, तो heading है page number 35 पे, जो मैंने खोला हुआ है स्क्रीनशॉट इससे पहले वाले में. ईमान, let me, जी पूछे, क्या पूछना है आपने? You can unmute yourself, each and every one. आपने इसमें पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं. दैट फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस वन, वी आर गोइंग टू कट इट डाउन. थर्ड पॉइंट इज प्लाज्मिड इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे. फिर फोर्थ वाला पॉइंट, इस तरह से आपने सारा लिखना है. यस ईमान, यू कैन अनम्यूट बाय योरसेल्फ. ईमान. यस बिलाल, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क? You first unmute yourself. Yes, now speak. Unmute करें अपने आप को. No, I can't listen you still. You have to unmute yourself. Iman, everyone is unmuted from here.
Teacher, I did not get chapter 1.
You didn't get one? Okay, मैं
No,
दोबारा से कह दूंगी.
I did chapter 2 on copy.
That's okay. Whenever you will get chapter 1, then you can do that. Right?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Iman. Dear, you
Yes,
can
teacher, now
unmute.
it is connected.
Yes, what do you want to ask?
Teacher, I want to say that you didn't send the homework of the last lecture through WhatsApp.
Yes.
There was no such homework. There was only a topic DNA replication. We will discuss it at the end of the chapter. Okay? That is
Okay.
just a short question, you can say, right?
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else want to ask the question?
Teacher, we have to write only this page in the question, in the answer of the question.
35 and 36, you have to make the diagram and then you have to explain by making key points. Number 1, उसकी heading दीजिएगा, that identification and isolation. फिर उसके बाद number 2, cutting with the help of enzyme. Then number 3, isolation of plasmid. Then number 4, formation of recombinant DNA. Then number 5, you can say formation of transgenic or genetically modified bacteria. फिर आप साथ उसकी डायग्राम बना दीजिएगा. That will be enough. ठीक है?
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Anyone else want to ask the question? अब्दुल रहमान, फिर से बंद कर ली वीडियो. Unmute yourself.
टीचर वो बहुत खूबसूरत है, उसे नजर लग जाएगी.
Abdul Rahman, are you there or not? Any question, girls and boys, if you want to ask, you can today.
No, teacher.
Okay, should we end up the lecture or not? Mama, do you want to ask anything? Mama, you can unmute your mic. Mama. Yes, Yes, so Mama, ask the question. Beta, you have you can unmute your mic by yourself.
Yes. जो भी आपने हमें स्क्रीन शेयर की थी उससे पहले आगे नीचे जो पैराग्राफ था वो भी लिखना है।
Sorry, I can't listen you properly.
जो भी आपने हमें स्क्रीन शेयर की थी जिसमें डायग्राम बनी हुई थी।
जी जी। Mama, your voice is not clear. You can send a message in chat box. Bilal, stay quiet.
I'm quite.
Yes, Mama, ask the question beta in the chat box. Okay, beta. Write down. आज हमने पढ़ा है. You have to write it down there. These are basically the applications के कहाँ पर क्या use होता है. So you need to write down the whole things over there. ठीक है? Okay, बेटे.
Okay. Yes, that